Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician instructor with CSIA. Coming to you live with a video showing you how a standard inspection can go when I come out to the house. So the customer called me for a standard cleaning and was interested in a cleaning. So I came out and did the full inspection. Upon that, I'm going to turn the camera around. The dryer comes down right there, and it comes down into this angle, which is less than 22, so you don't count it. But then you come over here to that hard 90. You come up here to these lesser than 22s, and you don't have to count those. You come across and you come to this pipe at 25 or 5 feet. And then you come to this at 5 feet, and then you go to the other one at 5 feet. So right there alone, you're looking at close, and you count the elbow behind the wall, you're looking at right now 25 feet in elbows. So if we now, so 25 feet in elbows, and we're going to flip the camera around, and you have a 5 foot stick there. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, you got a foot there, 26, you have a foot there, 27, and then you have 2.5 feet going into here at 29, almost 30. So with 30 feet of hard pipe with 25 feet of elbow space, you're looking at close to 55 to 60 feet. International Mechanical Code, National Fire Protection Agency recommends 25 feet with 2 elbows, making 35 feet or less. So this is way over code. Now, one thing I noticed when I was talking to my customers is if you'll look right here where they put that, you'll see the wall right here. And you can see where there used to be a 4-inch. And prior to buying this home, I have a feeling the dryer vent was there. But they had a handyman come in and switch it. That's the difference between handyman and a certified dryer exhaust technician. Your certified dryer exhaust technician knows codes and does it the right way. And a direct route is always better than another route. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this pipe down and I'm going to reroute it the proper way. And we're going to actually cut the distance by 25 feet. So in about an hour and a half, 2 hours, you're going to see a second video. And it's going to be of what I've done and how I've better improved their system. A more direct route dryer vent is going to reduce dry times. It's going to reduce your electric bill. It's going to save the life of your dryer, and it's going to reduce the risk of fire, because there are so many pinch points on this vent that's going to cause so many more issues. So I'm going to run this pipe, and I'm going to replace it, and we're going to get more of a direct route. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran-operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. You can reach me at 317-430-3993, safedvs.com, or look me up on Facebook, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.